Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do another sound demo, and this time I am doing a different hookup. This time I'm going to go ahead and use my Denon 3600H with the OSD 5-channel amp. Now I'm only going to use 2 channels. I'm going to run it in stereo, and I went ahead and disconnected the EQ in it, so I'm running the speakers in flat, and I'm using my Sony Blu-ray 4K disc player that also plays sacds. I can't really see it, it's under the PlayStation, and it runs, it does play DVD audios too. And so what I'm doing is I'm using the subwoofers this time. I'm gonna run both subs with it in stereo and see the difference. Okay, now I'm going to play. It's a Super Audio CD from Grace Maya, and the track is Coming Home Baby, and this is a very, very good CD. And here we go.
Coming home, you know I'm waiting here for you. You've been gone, you don't know what I'm going through. Since you went away, I've been blue. Coming home, you know I'm waiting for it every night. Please come on, I want to feel you hold me tight. When I'm in your arms, I'm alright. Exhale, exhale. I'm scared, okay?
Or there you go. That was using my Denon receiver with a 5-channel amp, running it in stereo, flat, with the subwoofers on. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think.